Hey guys, welcome back to Jaden Small Engine Repair. I'm Jaden, and in this video we're going to be putting an hour meter on this Toro 1995 Super Sync. So it has a 6 horsepower older Briggs engine. This was actually the first Briggs they ever made. So it's not going to be that hard to do. I'll bring you a little closer and I'll show you how I'm going to do this. Alright, let's see here. So it has a 6 horsepower engine. We're a little closer now. So it has a 6 horsepower engine and just 6, and that's it. Alright, so I got this off Amazon and a pack of 2. It's just a hour meter for our engine. This is the cheaper model. I bought a bunch of the more expensive models too. Comes with some zip ties and all that, but it's just an hour meter, some screws to put it in, and then the zip ties and the cord. So you don't want to get opener rage opening this. Be careful you don't lose the 2 screws. They are taped in, just in case. So we get our hour meter. We get our cord and 2 small zip ties. And 2 small zip ties and a cord. And then the 2 screws that came with it right there. So you are going to have to drill a hole. They are not self-tapping screws, but you are going to have to drill a hole. So first what we're going to do is we got to take off this top cover of the engine. So then if we take off the top cover of the engine, then we will be able to because that's how we're going to run it. We're going to run the line up through the top cover down the side of it. So hopefully it goes well. I'm just hoping it goes well. Yep. Hopefully it doesn't go bad and then something bad happens, and then shouldn't happen, but it's a really easy process. Shouldn't have any serious issues, but let's get to it, guys. So first, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get a 10mm socket. And I'm going to be using my power drill, but you don't have to use a power tool, but I would say use a power tool. I'm just doing this so it's easier for filming purposes. You're just going to take off this top cover. There's a few bolts, so take these right out. There's 2 up on the front. Let's take out those. There we go. Take off the one on the side. There's one on each side. Connects to the whole gas tank and all that, so it should come right off. Depending on what year your lawnmower is, should just lift right off. You can see mine's just lifts right off like that. The gas tank's not attached. Just lifts right off. You're going to put it back on your gas tank, your gas cap. That's your gas tank. It's pretty big. Well, you have your huge heavy-duty top cover here. So what we're going to do is the hour meter is going to go right here on the side of the top cover. And you have to wrap it around the spark plug boot. So I'm going to wrap it around, then I'm going to run it up through here, away from the flywheel and everything, then run it down. And then our meter is going to go right there. So let's do this, guys. Alright, so first we're going to want to unfold our hour meter. Take off the cord. Also, guys, if you guys have any suggestions on any videos that you want me to make, please leave it down below. I've gotten a few, like this guy. Call me, I'll shout out to you. He wanted me to make a video on me starting up all my engines and lawnmowers and all that. So it's coming soon. I just haven't gotten to it. I'm working on a lot of those videos right now. I'm just haven't gotten to making that. I'm making all the videos right before winter, working on snowblower season and all that. So I will get to it. Just don't worry. You'll be getting your video soon. Just keep watching and you'll see it on my YouTube channel soon. yeah, guys, if you haven't yet, please subscribe. That'll help out my channel a lot right now. We're in that part of that channel where that's trying to gain some staying subscribers, so then we can build the channel and I can get more stuff opened up for you guys. But guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Jaden. As I said in the beginning of the video, this is Jaden Small Engine Repair. I fix small engines on YouTube, help people that don't know what they're doing. But yeah, I do a really good job and I am really good at it. So we're going to take our hour meter. There's 2 holes on the side of your hour meter. And you're going to take that and you're just going to poke a pencil . Yep. So yeah, I told you guys in the beginning of the video, I have those videos coming up for you. If they're not on my channel yet, I'll leave a link. You can go to them. But yep, that's basically all I have to tell you now. Let's get into the video. Alright, so we're just going to take your hour meter. I got my cover here. I'm just going to take my hour meter, set it on there, stick the pencil in, and leave some dots on the hour meter where I need to drill the holes. Here we go. See, there's 2 holes, 2 lines right there where I'm going to put it. So now we're going to make a little dot like right next to it, down the hole. So then that's where we're going to put a little hole to stick the, where we're going to stick the line through that goes to the spark plug. You didn't know that's what it hooks up to. Alright, let's drill these. Oops, just kind of slipped. Alright guys, we're back. I retightened the drill bit. Alright, got them all drilled. So now you're going to take your hour meter and you're going to take your 2 screws and push them in these holes right here on the hour meter. Get you a Phillips screwdriver that can fit in these little grooves. Then you can turn the screw into the hole on the mower. I'm going to do that to one side. Now I'm going to skip this and do the other side. Alright guys, so I got it all screwed in. You can see the screws came through. It's all screwed in. Then I drilled a hole and stuck the line through it. So now next, you're going to take your cover. You're going to take your dang cover and you're going to get you some electrical tape or basically any tape you have that's good. Tear off about 2 or 3 inches of tape. You're going to run this as close as you can to the top of your recoil. Then you're going to tape it down. You're just going to take it and just tape it all the way up till where it comes out. Alrighty, I got that all taped in. Guys, as you can see, I got it all taped in all the way down to the middle. It's going to come out. So let me move you to the front more and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, so I got my top cover here. So I'm going to take the top cover. I'm just going to set it right up here out of the way. You're going to pull off your spark plug boot. Just pull it right off the spark plug. And they say you got to wrap it around your spark plug line 6 times. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to do it. We're just going to give it a little slack. So that'll be 1. It's 1 wrap, 2 wraps, 3 wraps, 4 wraps, 5 wraps, 6 wraps, 7 wraps, 8 wraps. I got 2 wraps. Now you're just going to pull it tight. The 2 pieces that you haven't used. It comes with a zip tie. You're going to take your zip tie that it comes with. Put it right here. And you're going to zip tie these 2 to get. You're going to bring the zip tie down to the very base of both of them. Go. You're going to bring the zip tie down to the very base of both of them and just pull it tight. Pull, pull, pull. Pull it tight. There we go. Pull them tight. There we go. Nice and tight. Now you're going to take this and you're just going to stick the zip tie up in there just to stay there out of the way. Now you're going to wrap up all your access stuff that you had. You want it to have a little bit of extra slack. So I'm just going to take all mine and I'm just going to put on my spark plug boot. Slide it up. There we go. pull. Now you're just going to set your top cover back on your lawnmower. And then grab your socket again with your dang 10mm socket and just re-put in all those bolts that you took out at the beginning. So you don't tighten them down too much. Ooh. There we go. All tightened down. We got one more. Just gonna tighten down your gas cap, and we gotta go run it for a few minutes, and she should be good to go, guys. Alright, guys, we gotta run it for 10 minutes means 0.1 hour. So let's just run it for 10 minutes to get it going. Alright, let's just run it for 10 minutes. See what it's at. Oh yeah, 1 hour. Been running for 1 hour, guys. Alright guys, I just want to do one more thing. Turn it off. So I do one more thing. I want to change the air filter on this thing. So it's going to be putting a alternator on a Toro Supercycler and tune-up. So we changed the air filter. Guys, I just changed the air filter. Same exact one. Now I'm going to put this cover back on. There we go. Alright guys, that was putting a hour meter on a Toro Supercycler and a tune-up. Bye guys, have a good day. Please subscribe.